In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Filmora Video Editor and create AI movies. We'll move from a blank project to a polished cinematic piece using Filmora's editing tools and built-in AI features, keeping everything simple and approachable. First, open Filmora and start a new project. Before you add anything, set the aspect ratio so your movie fits the platform you're targeting. Choose 16.9 for widescreen YouTube-style films or 9:16 for vertical content like TikTok and Reels. Getting this right at the start saves you from reframing later. Now import your AI assets. Bring in AI-generated images, AI video clips from tools such as Luma-style generators, your music, and any voiceovers. Drag everything into the media library, then pull the pieces you need onto the timeline. Keep clips organized and named clearly so assembling scenes is fast. Build your AI movie scene by scene, just like a film editor. Start with an intro shot to set the mood, follow with a character shot to introduce your subject, move into an action scene to create momentum, and finish with a strong ending shot. Use simple cuts to control pacing, then add transitions to smooth or stylize the joins. A gentle crossfade reads as cinematic. A zoom or glitch adds energy when appropriate. You can create AI visuals right inside Filmora. Use the AI image generator to turn text prompts into scene art. Try something like a futuristic city at night with flying cars, cinematic lighting, ultra-realistic dramatic atmosphere. Keep descriptions vivid and include mood or style terms for stronger results. For narration, go to audio, then text to speech. Paste your story script, choose a voice, generate the narration, and place it beneath your visuals. If your project includes dialogue or you want captions, right-click a clip, choose speech to text, and let Filmora auto-generate subtitles. Review them for accuracy and style. To isolate characters or remove backgrounds, select a clip, open Smart Cutout, highlight the subject, and apply. Refine the edges so the cutout blends naturally with your scene. Make it feel like a movie with effects. Add transitions such as fade, by, zoom, or glitch. Apply cinematic filters or LUTs for a cohesive look. Introduce subtle motion with slow pans or zooms, and finish with color grading to unify tone and contrast. For sound, choose royalty-free music, use AI-enhanced audio and voice cleanup tools. Keep background music low under narration, and layer sound effects for impact. Polish with color correction, blur or depth effects, motion blur, and cinematic black bars to frame the image. When you're happy, click Export, choose MP4, select 1080p or 4K, and export your final film. As an example workflow, imagine a cyberpunk hero short, generate AI city images, create character visuals, add cinematic transitions, generate AI narration, add background music, sync subtitles, and export.